Skeleton Dance, played by the Edison Concert Band.
Now listen, I know I said I was gonna do a thrift flip this week, but that's not happening, and you're just gonna have to deal with it, okay? Okay, moving on. Salutations, friends. My name is Eveline. Today we are not doing a thrift flip, but we are doing a painting video. I haven't done one of these in a little while, and you know, when inspiration hits, you just gotta roll with it. Even if that inspiration is just the desperate need for it to always be Halloween. I've had these little MDF boards lying around for years, probably. I don't remember when I got these, but I know that I did steal them out of some broken picture frames. But I finally decided to use them to feed my addiction to Halloween decorations. Look, here they are all nice and clean, and here they are all orange and green. It took me way too long to figure out that line. I decided to go with what I feel like is the least loved Halloween color palette, which I don't understand at all. This is my favorite color palette for Halloween decorations, and it seems like it used to be fairly popular, you know? Like, you see it a lot in those old die-cut decorations from the 60s and the 70s and whatnot, but it's impossible to find in modern decorations, and it irks me so much because I just love this color palette. You have your classic black and orange and black and white and black and red, black and purple, and you have your orange, black, and purple, and you even get your orange, black, purple, and green if you want to go a little bit Monster Mash with it, but you never get black, orange, and green in modern decorations. Why? Why is it like this? I don't even like purple. What is this modern day prejudice against having green in Halloween decorations? I just want cute little retro decor without having to pay $30 for a 50-year-old piece of cardstock, you know? I feel like this is one of those things that I feel very passionately about that literally nobody else cares about. Anyway, enough whining about colors. Let's just talk about the paintings. I knew going into this that I wanted to do the jack-o'-lantern in the haunted house, but I had a little bit of a harder time figuring out what to do for the other two. I could have just done two paintings, but I really wanted to have the four because I thought it would look nicer hanging up. I ultimately went with cute little owls. I don't know, I guess I just had owls on the brain. And for the last one I decided to do a scarecrow in a cornfield. They recently planted the corn around my house, and watching it grow through the summer and leading into autumn is one of my favorite things to mark the changing of the season. I kept them all pretty cute and cartoony to keep that sort of retro-y feel, and I don't know if anyone would even notice if I didn't explain it, but I did two big simple designs with the owl and the jack-o'-lantern and two more detailed landscapey designs with the scarecrow in the house, so that each color would have both types of designs. And that's really all the thought I put into these guys. I really just wanted to do something spooky, and I kind of just went for it. And here they are. I went back with some yellow details and gave them 2 coats of satin Mod Podge off camera, and this is how they came out. I'm super happy with them. I think they're adorable, and they match my little owl. I might go back and age them and give them sort of a vignette around the edges, but for now they satisfy my need for Halloween. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed getting a little spooky with me here at the end of May. If you did, feel free to hit that like button. And if you'd like to stick around and see more of me and more of what I do, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you next Tuesday with a new vlog, and don't forget to wash your hands. Goodbye.